Yo, it's Elog from the future, and I'm here with a disclaimer. I just did a few changes to the pattern as soon as I was done working on it. Cause one thing I didn't like about this one was the length of the neck. I feel like was a little bit too long, so I just shortened it by like half an inch. And then the other thing that I did was just widen the dots along the top sides, like these two, and then also the one along the bottom, just so that it has kind of a more pronounced curve to kind of cup the face better. And that's pretty much all I did. I would encourage you guys to kind of, um, the first time that you sew it, that should be your test, because everybody has like different faces in different proportions, and the way this one fits me might not be the same as it fits you. So kind of keep that in mind. Make the first one, and then if you feel like you want the eyes to be like closer together or wider apart, if you maybe want to change the length of the nose or the placement of the nose, like definitely take it upon yourself to kind of pattern hack it, like hack the pattern and make your own version, play around with it, do different things. I plan on like doing different styles and different things with this mask, so you should too. um but anyway, let's get back into the video, and I hope that you have fun making it. See you at the end.
What the hell is wrong with you two?
complicated sewing patterns, confusing written instructions that just boggle your brain? Do you wish you could get stylish yet simple to follow PDF sewing patterns? Well, at Papillon Society, we've got something just for you. Buy a beginner-friendly PDF sewing pattern from us and make something cool, following our simple and in-depth video instructions. And if you're a little bit more experienced than that, we've got something for you too. We got jacket patterns, tote bag patterns, cargo vests and puffer vests. We even have a few travel bag PDF patterns, which you can print out in the comfort of your own home. Prices starting from as low as $3.99 and sales coming in frequently. You really don't want to miss out. Here's some reviews from people who like the pattern. Here's some reviews from people who tried the pattern. Visit our online store and get yourself a pattern today. Happy sewing!
Disclaimer. Use Papillon sewing patterns responsibly. Side effects may include boosting confidence, closet burning down because the clothes are too fire, getting bombarded with compliments on the garments you made. Call your nearest fire department if your closet explodes. T's and C's apply. Papillon Society is not responsible for any damage caused.
Dans la vie, quand une chose n'est pas sérieuse, on dit c'est du cinéma. Pourquoi vous pensez qu'on ne prend pas le cinéma au sérieux?
Je ne sais pas, moi. Peut-être parce qu'on y va que quand tout va bien.
So now it's time to add the nose piece, and on the pattern you'll notice that I have two nose pieces. The idea is that I want you to kind of sew it right side facing at 1/2 inch seam allowance like this, right, and leave a gap here so that you can turn it, and this will be folded inside, and then you can sew it on. But I noticed as I was sewing this fabric that it's pretty thick, so instead of that, what we're gonna do is kind of like put this one away, and it really depends on you. Like, one, if the fabric is not that thick, you can definitely do what I'm saying here, but for this one, I think I'm just gonna take this with the Valine or the interfacing applied, and I'm gonna fold 1/2 inch in, half an inch in, half an inch this way, half an inch this way, right? Then I'm gonna top stitch along the bottom up here and up here first, and then when I'm gonna top stitch, like I'm gonna fold like this, and then so kind of have this make it so that it can like curve like this by pulling it in and then sewing onto here. And I'm just gonna place it like half an inch down from up here, so that when we add the top, like the dome piece on, we're gonna hide this part. And yeah, step one, just kind of like fold these and then sew, boom boom, and then fold half an inch, and then press. It might be a little hard to just like sew this all the way up to here, which is not a problem. The real problem I think will come here. So once you have this though, you can just kind of like sandwich this. You'll see, for example, I don't have this part sewed because I noticed this fold is just a little too foldy, you know? So you're just gonna sandwich this in here like so. And you might wanna mark like half an inch down from here just so everything is aligned. So for example, I'm just gonna go in. So just gonna hide this in here and hold this together. Boom. Fold, make sure this one is folded in, this one is folded in. Hold them together and just pin. Then you're just gonna sew all the way here, making sure that everything is like folded in from this side and this side.
What the hell is wrong with you two?